Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to update Apple iTunes 12.9 in Windows 10. Click Help. Click Check for updates. Click Download iTunes. Click Install one item. iTunes downloading. iTunes installing. iTunes new version is updated. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.